Hello, fellow 3D printers. I'm Jay Wall, Print That Thing, here to share with y'all some 3D nuggets. Yeehaw! Get up on that. Speaking of nuggets, 3D printing food in restaurants. Food Inc. launched internationally in London at the end of July this year, and they're hailed as the world's first 3D printing pop-up restaurant where everything from the utensils, furniture, and food were designed and printed from a 3D printer. Food Inc. had their launch in Scottish London. For 3 nights, they sold a total of 10 tickets per night, costing £250 a person for a 9-course taster menu by Joel Castagnet, a fancy Michelin-starred chef, and the 3D printed food from the Flow printer. I would do it. I would try it. I ain't opposed to eating nothing. 3D print your fetus, not your feet, your baby. Utero 3D is a company that's taking their 3D ultrasounds and printing them out for blind parents to see their unborn children for the first time. While this isn't the first company to offer this type of service, this Polish business operates a program that they call Waiting Without Barriers, specifically for blind mothers for €1 so they can see their children. Parents in Poland receive an actual print within 4 days. Those who are outside of the country receive a 3D file, which they can do whatever they want with. Collaboration on a 3D printed bicycle. On August 27, 2016, at Zoller Race Circuit, a 3D printed bicycle was presented by Flame 3D, a co-op of various 3D printing companies who work together to create a versatile 3D printing bicycle. The frame of the bike was printed and designed collaboratively by Materialized, Reinforced, Ghent University, the University of Leuven, Denko DDM, MT3D, 3D, Cirrus, RS Print, TNM, Solutions, 3D&I, Formato, Hoet, Layered Prints, and VMAC. 15 organizations total who are attempting to develop a continuous outlet for growth rather than competing against each other. So I think that's very cool. I love to see when 3D printing companies and their YouTube channels are all working together to grow the community. It's just a beautiful thing. 3D printed cabins. The Dutch have done it again. The Urban Cabin is an 8 square meter mini home that features a front porch and a small interior space. The cool thing is that it was completely 3D printed by DUS architects, and there's also a 3D printed bathtub in the yard. Made of bioplastics, meaning the house can be torn down and completely recycled into a brand new design whenever they want. According to the team, the mini dwelling shows how 3D printing can help combat socioeconomic issues like homelessness or other on-demand housing situations for the vast growing cities around the world. I'd live in it. 3D printing liquid metal. Father and son, Scott and Zach Vader, have founded Vader Systems, a liquid metal jet 3D printer system. Technically, this makes Vader Systems the second of its kind in the world, the other being X-Jet over in Israel. But Zach Vader is 23, has been developing the MK1 since 2013, and has finally managed to get it to work using what they call magnetojet technology. The MK1 propels liquefied aluminum at 800 degrees Celsius into an electromagnetic field through nozzles similar to an inkjet printer at 1,000 drops of liquid metal a second. The droplets are about 200 microns and the build rate is about 1 pound per hour. Pretty rad. Thanks for watching, everybody. Feel free to subscribe or click on the I if you want to see some more nuggets, and I'll see y'all next time.